or like a lot of this is just me learning C Sharp but yeah, you get a lot of awaits and a lot of async stuff just everywhere, which I really like actually. It's a really nice way of programming stuff. You can sort of do it in C++, but it's not, the language wasn't designed from the start. Like C Sharp seems to have done a lot better job on that async and await stuff than most other languages. At least as far as I can tell. Rust probably does it better than all of them, I'm sure, but I don't know shit about Rust. So why don't we start? That can be the beginning of the next rant. Rust. Now, I'm pretty sure if I used Rust, I would like it. But it's these people telling me that I must use Rust that annoys the shit out of me. That Rust is going to overtake the world and nobody's ever going to code in C++ anymore. Now that hurts my feelings a little bit because I know C++. But I don't think people, they often don't see the advantages of C++. And they look at all of the problems with C++, which there are so many. There are so many problems with C++. The most... I can list hundreds of problems with C++. But the benefits are so good that you can never discount it. Not that it's the best language. No. I don't mean that at all. Yeah, I definitely feel your point there, Mr. Kazazul. But also, every engineer, like when I see a problem, my instinct is to go to C++ and fix it with C++. That instinct is wrong, but it should be considered because let's say Rust was the best solution for any for a particular problem. Finding Rust programmers is difficult, and they're really goddamn expensive. So maybe you shouldn't solve it with Rust, even though it would be 10% faster. You could do it 20% quicker. The problem is you can't find the damn engineer to do it. Whereas C++, you've still got a reasonable abundance of C++ engineers hanging around. And with Python, maybe it's Python as well that you've got a decent amount of Python people using Python. So maybe Python will be a good option, even though it might not be the perfect language for the job. It's going to get you pretty far. Also, if I have a problem in C++, I can almost certainly Google it, and I'll find an answer pretty quick. If I have a problem in Rust, often the answer is, oh yeah, we haven't got that library. You're going to have to create your own bindings for that library or something. And it's like, well, I don't have the time in my life to create bindings for some library that I need, or I don't have the time to write some WebRTC Rust library. There's 5 that exist in C++ that are all pretty good. Anyway, what do we got? There's let me run this to make sure it's working. And there's always a new programming language that's supposed to take over C and C++, and they never do. Yeah. I think you're right about that. It's. Hang on, one sec. You're right. There's. It tends to be younger people that haven't seen this cycle. Now, I'm not an old person. I'm approaching 40, but I guess that's pretty old for a programmer these days. But people haven't seen this cycle before. The cycle is new programming thing. Everyone's going to use it, and then it inevitably, some percentage of people do use it, and it's not without good reason. It's just that C++ is like that old building in town that's made of. It's like the town hall. It's made of freaking huge bricks that are never going to move. Hang on, let me start up a server. Whereas Rust feels to me like that somebody's rocked up and put a building together that's made of wood, and it's going to blow over in the first storm. C++ is pretty much used for OS embedded system programming language as far as I... Yeah, I mean, C is like Linux kernel is all C. I mean, you can use Rust in the Linux kernel now, which is amazing. There's an amazing thing that's been achieved, but it's, how many people are going to write drivers in Rust? Not many, I think. I mean, maybe some, but and maybe it's a great tool for the job. It's just that it's just not... It's going to be so dissimilar from what's already there, for instance, that... it's not going to be the best choice, I think. Just get rid of that. And let me just check that this works. So we got yellow now. Did I do this right? Yeah, yellow. And like greeny. So it should be... Let me get this in the right order. Let me get these two and then these two. So it's like yellowy, yellowy, greeny, ready. Greeny, ready. Yellowy, yellowy. Yeah, cool. So yeah, it's working. I just need to expand it so it fits all of the types and stuff. Yeah, I know. I look very, very young, but I'm actually very... Yeah, I'm actually I mean, you wouldn't believe it to look at me, but yeah, I'm actually not that far off 40 years old. So yeah, we've got key view here. So we want to do key view like that and key view like that. So yeah, we want to do get random HSV color. Do that. So we want to do this every time. Create map view, create media view. Now that key is going to be different every time, but we want to kind of keep it broadly similar. So let's start at the... Oh, what have we done here? Oh, you get video chart view. So that's going to be the most similar. Video chart view. Device identifier. So that's all the same. Excellent. So then we do the next one. So this will be global map view. Props to you, great skincare. My great skincare routine is don't go outside. Just stay indoors, boys. And girls. The girls need to stay indoors. They're most worried about their skin. Don't look at the sun. Just... yeah, don't look at the sun. Oh, you've seen SA? You've seen Somewhat Accurate? No. I didn't think anybody had seen him. I thought he was hidden. Man, if you show me a picture of him, I'd love to see him. Of course, with his permission. I wouldn't want to do anything without his permission. The great Somewhat Accurate, who never streams anymore because reasons. Actually, we don't need to create the view anymore. We don't care about that. Right, so there is no device identifier on this, but there is global map view. So here there's no more device. There's no more recording token. There is only which one it is. Okay, cool. But now we want to get global... Oh, really we want to just do get num global map views. Yeah, we just want to do that. So get video widgets manager. Actually, we probably want to change this too. To be get num video views. Yeah, let's change that. So here, get video views. But here we want to really do something slightly different. We want to do get num video views. We'll just return an int. Get num global map views. Get video views. Get video views. Saves us copying a vector or a Q vector. And we can just iterate through them. We go int count is equal to 0. Turn count. And here plus count. Oh, that's the wrong way. But here it's global map view. Okay, I can actually... Oh wait, no, I can't. That needs to go. Yeah, that needs to go. This Uh, oh yeah. I know he's like 20. I know he's young. How many lines of code have the largest file in your project? Why don't we do a little Git magic? If you can find me the Git string, like the Git query, to list out the files by the lines of code, you should be able to do that. I'm going to put that on YouTube. I'll paste it into my Git repo. Yeah, please. I allow people to make fun of my code and my software. It's got all sorts of problems. I'm not going to pretend that it doesn't. So this needs to do static cast and then get recording and then get token. So if that happens, then we do a count. Cool. So that gets us the count, and that gets us the count. And this should be good. Yeah, we're good. Because that now doesn't need to happen. Get num global map views, okay. Get display view, we don't need that. Okay, well we will need it for display view. Let's do it here. So here we do display view, but we need the device identifier and the display. But it doesn't have a... Oh, it does have a token. Excellent. But we also want to do display get token. So get number display views. That's exactly what we want. Excellent. That's an easy one. Get num display views, and we can do display token. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that looks good. And we can do this. Super similar. Get number display views, but this will be display, and that'll be display, and that'll be get displayed or get token. That'll be display. Oh wait, no, I've got this wrong. Is equal to that. Is equal to that. So that should get us display tokens. That's fine. And then map view should be easy. Are you working on the Git? If you don't have one in like 5 minutes, I'll give it a go. But there should be a way to list the that first. Yeah, the map one should be easy as well. Get num map views. Map get token. And that should be map token. At least let it be a good computer game. All right, I'll get it for you. I'll do this. I'll do it. But I hope it's the only game you're allowed to play while watching my stream is Factorio, and that is it. Everything else is forbidden. Map view. So we need get number of that. Oh, what the hell? Did I screw that up? No. So map token. Get number of map views. So that's the same. And we put that here. Oh wait, we've got map views? Did I do that already? Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, that's global map views. Yeah, so there's map views and global map views. I forgot about that. I'm an idiot. So map views, we could do this, and that will change to a get that, and then a get map, and then a map token, and this is a map. Okay, so get. Yeah, once I've done this, I'll do the magical get query, and we can see how bad my coding is. What's wrong with this? Pointed incomplete class. Okay, that's fine. Map view. Map views, that should be fine. So how many we got left? Getting a map views. Oh, media. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Map views. I don't know why that's... Why do you not like that? That's because it's not... IntelliSense hasn't figured it out yet. Idiot. Right, so I've got one more, which is the media view. Oh, man. So the media view is... Ooh. Yeah, I don't have a good... Is that incomplete? Yeah, that's incomplete. Media. Media. That ain't easy. Yeah, I use clock. I used clock to do the counting. But I don't know, it doesn't show you like the largest file or something. Or maybe it does if you pass in some parameters. Okay, let's have a look at while IntelliSense is figuring itself out.